walked through the door, my wife says, "You got a job." And it was really exciting to my wife and I, and we just literally pulled up stakes and go. Recreation centers was the new kid on the block back in the 60s and the 70s. And East Texas State was building a new recreation center. And the thing that really attracted me to it, it was a new building, no traditions, no hand-me-downs, and my background was in recreation. And they gave me a green light to take it wherever to see if recreation centers had a place in higher education. One afternoon, I was coming back to Zeppa from whatever. The band was out there practicing and they were conducting and playing. But then I went into the Zeppa Center and I looked and there was a bowling lanes and there were people bowling. I looked over to another area and that's where we had 8 treadmills. In fact, we had like 17 pieces of equipment, all of it being used. And then the pool was next and there were people playing and laughing and jumping and splashing. And then you look at the racquetball courts. All the courts were full and people in the sauna, and then all the things we had on the books. I wanted the band instructor to come over and see what kind of music he could get out of the Zeppa Center. And I think maybe we might have a country western song going here. But I think the only time that that we did it, and I was very proud of that. And I proved that a recreation center has a place in higher education. And I hope with this new center that they take it to higher levels. But I found out that no one has all the ideas, but everyone has something. But I think if I would say point to one thing for my success, I would have to say the peers. And no department was an island. And really, I felt we really joined forces and really made Zeppa happen. The university is, I don't know how I can ever repay for what they did for, like I say, my family and really me, yeah. The sad part, I just wish my parents could be here today. And they sacrificed so much, and I was born during the Depression, and my father got burned out in 1938, and then of course the war came. And but go to college and have their applause and their approval means a lot. In fact, I think the only time I ever saw my father cry was when I went to college. It means everything. And it's a great summation for, as I say, going out. And then you look at the list of the people before me. I don't know how I'm going to make the travel squad. But it's just, I'm humbled, honored, and it means everything.